lórí gbogbo rògbòdìyàn èyí tó ń lọ káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè nàìjíríà látàrí àwọn ọmọ èyí tí àwọn ẹni bí àwọn ẹni bú àwọn agbénipa èyí tí wọ́n lọ kó ní iléèwé tí àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó sì wà láàrin wọn. ẹ̀yin tèmi a ti rí àwọn oríṣiríṣi fídíò èyí tó lọ káàkiri orí ayélujára èyí tí àwọn ẹni bí yìí tí wọ́n jù síbẹ̀ kí àwọn èèyàn kún ó rí. àti rí ibi tí wọ́n ti lo ọ̀bẹ tí wọ́n sì ti fi gé orí èèyàn sọ́ọ́lẹ̀ lára àwọn tíṣà èyí tí wọ́n kó yìí. bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni àti rí ibi tí wọ́n ti mú gálọ́ọ̀nù tí wọ́n sì finá sí i tí wọ́n wá ń jó lé ara àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké èyí tí wọ́n kó ní iléèwé yìí. ó mọ̀ ṣe o. abiyamọ tó bá rí irú àwọn fídíò báyìí àfi abiyamọ tó bá ya ọ̀dájú òní inú rẹ̀ ò ní bàjẹ́. ó ní òrírò àwọn fídíò báyìí ní tí wọ́n ń fi ojú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tí wọn ò mọwọ́ tí wọn ò mẹsẹ̀ tí àwọn ọmọ yìí tí wọ́n kàn kúrò lábẹ́ àwọn òbí wọn tí wọ́n gba iléèwé lọ pé káwọn ó lọ káwọn ó bọ̀. òun ló di wípé àwọn ẹni ibi yìí kó tí wọ́n sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe báṣubàṣu. tẹ́ ẹ bá wo ẹ̀yìn àwọn ọmọ yìí náà ẹ rí wípé gbogbo ẹ̀yìn wọn ti lé, kò sóúnjẹ kò sí kankan. ní orílẹ̀-èdè nàìjíríà ní ìlú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè nílùú tá a ti ní president tá a sì tó ní first lady tó jẹ́ obìnrin. ó mọ̀ ṣe o. ní gbogbo eléyìí tó sì ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lábẹ́ ẹ̀mú wọn ò sì rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí i. ìdí nìyí tí just Adetoun tó ṣe jáde ó sì ń bi ìyàwó ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè nàìjíríà ìyẹn first lady madam Remi Tinubu wípé ogun wo ni wọ́n ń lò, bó ni wọ́n ṣe ń sùn gan-an, bó ni wọ́n ṣe ń dijú lóru pẹ̀lú gbogbo tí ń lọ ní orílẹ̀-èdè nàìjíríà yìí, pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn fídíò àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tá à ń rí níbi tí wọ́n ti ń yọ kíní gálọ́ọ̀nù tí wọ́n sì ń yọ tí wọ́n ń yọ lé wọn lára tí àwọn ọmọ yìí sì ń ké nínú ìrora. wọ́n ní bó ni wọ́n ṣe ń sùn, wọ́n lóògùn wo ni wọ́n ń lò fúndì èyí. wọ́n sọ fún àwọn ọmọ nàìjíríà irú oògùn tí wọ́n ń lò bóyá káwa náà ó lè máa lò torí wípé gbogbo ń tà ń rí yìí kò jẹ́ ká lè sùn, kò jẹ́ kankan owó balẹ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè nàìjíríà mọ́. a lè sùn a lè wo kí ni tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀. ẹ̀yin tèmi eléyìí jẹ́ nǹkan tó bà ní nínú jẹ́. ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí just Adetoun èyí tó sọ nínú fídíò yìí. ó mọ̀ ṣe o nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè.
Good morning, fellow citizens of Nigeria. Please, let me be on my knees as I want to do this video because this is a special appeal. Mrs. Remi Tinubu, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Today is Children's Day. At least you are the mother of the nation. It's the right time to ask for a special request. I want to specially request for just one thing. And Mama be this, so we no get another one. Remi Tinubu, Ejo, it is you we want to ask a simple question. Please, man, we want to ask you. You need to help us, oh. You need to help us. Madam, what do you drink for night when they take sleep? What do you drink? Because no normal mother can sleep again in this country, Nigeria. Anything that concerns Nigeria, Esma, again, let me even prostrate for you. Ejo, we need your favor. Let us know. Help a sister, help a mother like you. Because, Siam, ele ilo leju, amylodi tripling. Siam, on lomele wala ti Ghana ni. Siam, all on prescription. Siam, we don't complain, Kaya. Madam, no be this kind of thing you dey drink when they take sleep. You need to help us. Whether you will declare it through Pharmaceutical Association of Nigeria, NAFDAC, anti-narcotic, whatever it is. NDLEA, General Hospital, Primary Health Center, anywhere, just tell us. We go there. Madam, Eshanua, for the past 2 weeks now, this country has been bleeding. You see, those minors, those children, today they are supposed to be in their homes, celebrating, even if Nagari then drink, say they're under their parents' custody. Mommy, you have been sleeping and snoring. Ejawaton, what are you consuming? Because me, since the day where I become mama, itara biamo ko je kenu mi ko. Mommy, you need to tell Nigerians, what do you consume that you can sleep at night and you can snore? Because if you are not sleeping, you would have seen it on the president's body. You see that president it in heart attack or it in stroke. As long as you and daddy, you are still walking freely, and so that means that two people are sleeping. One year be amo igbo ko omo e ko ma tati were eyin gbo ekun omo yin e farabale se primary e ti gba winner, congratulations Ejawaton. What have you been consuming to sleep? Because no right thinking mother has been sleeping for weeks now. No right thinking mother has been sleeping for weeks. Some children, you see all those videos, children in the bush, battery beating, plastic melting on their body. Esma, First Lady, what are you drinking to sleep? We don't use cocodamol. We don't get headache, paracetamol, extra, Panadol extra. What? Now all we don't use. Mommy, show us the way. Help a sister. Help a sister. If it is the same mind, the same heart, the same emotion, the same compassion that is in us, that is in you, Mr. Remi Tinubu, help us. Ejawaton, eyewo wa ran bai. Ejo, eyewo wa ran e ṣàánú wa. Let us too kuku know that all mothers should go and rest. Fọkàn kankan balẹ̀. Lọ fọkàn balẹ̀, kò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Election nìkan ló ṣiṣẹ́ fún. First Lady, please help us. What are you using? Because you are glowing. You are shining. You not do like say anything, do your children for this country. You not be like say, so pikin, they even touch pikin, talk less of say them beat pikin. Help a sister. What are you drinking? Odunyi da shaka. Shalodunyi da pako. Okoyi day. If not the same human flesh. Because it's like our bodies are all the same. We get breast, we get nyash. But our mind, you know, be the same. Esma, if you cannot tell us what you are drinking, that you can close your eyes, snore, and sleep, John to the alone, save these children. Did you sign oaths? Are they threatening you? Then your bati ele help. Ashale nora. Not even epele. It is well. It shall be well. First Lady, Mr. Remi Tinubu, abiyamo ti yin ori e o. Your kind of abiyamo is unique. Unimitable, but unique. If you cannot tell us what you are drinking, that you can rest, and we are not resting, we are not sleeping, our minds are not at rest. Even the ones abroad, their motherland is bleeding. They cannot rest. Esma, Ejawaton. Eshanwe Ejawaton. Epe sister. I mean, of soon. Make Nigeria problem, no they disturb me again. Make it not they affect my mental health. Make it not they demoralize me. Make me self-reduce this shouting. Ejanton. Timbati lo 2 capsules muti wa okay. If you cannot announce to us, declare it free. Let us be collecting it free. Emma worry. Ekoti e shanu wa. Some people are celebrating and some people are mourning, crying, screaming. Some people have become lifeless all because of your husband. Esma, Baba den soon. Ko pressure. I know that it is women that give men pressure. You not give pressure. You they give your husband confidence. Que sinka kan fok mo ebale. Mori! Anri ba se nfe mi to. Anfe mi to. Se tadura ni. Esma amori oke gun. But ori oke gun se gun. Bandits no go allow us go ori oke. So we dey pray in the 4 corners of our house. We are calling Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Shammah, Jehovah Nisi, Arogun Bogunmi, Eleburu ike, Eletin Gbongbaroye, Gbanigbani lojo ogunle, ati pe ogunle. Ati pe. But the Bible says heaven help those who help themselves. Yes, mommy, if you know help us, if you know help us show the presidency and the security team of Nigeria, how God won't help us. God will not come down. And when you became first lady, we thought that God has sent us our own helper, our mother that is the mother of all mother, the mother that mother their mother. Mother Tinyi, what is your mother doing now? Your mother is not supposed to be murdering other mothers. It's supposed to be helping mothers. Tell us what you are using, that you are so confident. You are so at ease. You are so at peace within yourself. While the children of the nation are in captivity, when the nation is bleeding, they say the mother is the home builder. Esma, kile buildu. Efi rice le efun wa logun. Leave rice, give us what we go take sleep. Leave rice. Because even the people they share rice for, they themselves, they no sleep. Mami, oju oni tin yen shanu wa. Tin yen oni baje shanu wa. E fara kun wa. One person give birth to a child. The whole society owes them the responsibility to protect them, defend them, love them. Mommy, love us, show us what you they drink, what you they take sleep. Not be clear eye, anybody they take sleep again. See, I don't show you my own. Mommy, give us your own.